check this out. This is why we need to be technologically and scientifically educated. This is the call for it, because technology can be used in so many different ways. Can you imagine, for example, that human beings were so well educated and shared technology in such a peaceful way that we had probes with cameras that had such high resolution value that they could take images of, for example, some type of cosmic occurrence, like a meteor shower on a certain moon of a planet, or a collision of two comets, or a collision of two meteors, or a meteor with a comet, or something like that. But just to keep it simple, some type of cosmic collision. And then those probes were able to beam back edited clips of that collision happening, and the time span it takes. They could make it, for example, the standard 2 hours of a movie length, right? And show clips from this, and even have music orchestrated to it and everything like that. And then show people, when they can see it live, when it's at a certain alignment. And then the technology to then beam that into the theaters, where people will go pay because they've seen these amazing previews of technology. So, I mean, you can actually make movies, films, as a filmmaker, right, of these cosmic collisions, for example, and then show them up close, first previews from your probes that are sent out there, that are your cameras, and you have directors of photography, and now we're talking about superluminal communication, by the way, because we have to go faster than the speed of light in order for those signals to be transferred back and forth fast enough in order to first of all make those, get that footage and then beam previews back, and and then send that to the audience, and the actual film will be not only the things they've seen, but then the actual collision itself, live and whatnot. It's a live cosmic event, and it has the clarity and clearness that people on Earth can pay to watch such an event way out in space. And the vastness. So no, but seriously, it's you can paint that way. You imagine just having that amount of power over the different elements of the universe, but in a peaceful way, used for exploration and entertainment, rather than war, for example. It seems like anytime we find a way to blow something up, that we think the first thing, blow people up with it. Why instead not use that as a different type of? I'm sure explosions have their place. Like maybe you can even sculpt with them. If you're sculpting on like a giant meteor-wide scale, unless you have other precision laser tools and things like that would work much better. But seriously, everything probably has its place, but technology could, just imagine if it could be so advanced that we could literally, just make art with cosmic bodies. I don't know, just a thing to think about of why we should educate ourselves.
You suck.
Thank you.